Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your customer ID on Office Depot. If you don't have an Office Depot account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. On this page, you will see a section for customer information. Under Customer Information, you will see your customer ID. That's how you find your customer ID on Office Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.